we are here to witness the miracle of two becoming one. Then you rightly discern the miracle that is taking place right now, and we call it marriage. Your spirits will be joined together and you will become one. You will not be one just in the eyes of the law. No, there is something much more powerful that happens.
Love has always been the kind of thing that knocked me off my feet. Until you
I,
Sherone,
leave my father and mother,
I leave my father and my mom,
and I join myself to you,
and I join myself to you,
to be a husband to you.
to be a husband to you.
I, Lorrell,
Submit myself to you,
submit myself to you
to be a wife to you.
to be a wife to you.
tell me why love can't always be this easy. Time seems to stand still when you're standing near me.
Sherone, do you take Lorrell as wife, as your own flesh, to love her even as Christ loves the church, to protect her and care for her for the rest of your lives?
I do.
Lorrell, do you take Sherone as your husband, showing reverence to him as the head of this union for the rest of your lives?
I do.
Lorrell, words can't even explain how I feel. I mean, from the first day that I met you, I knew that you were the one. And I was watching your faithfulness. I was watching how you were serving God. Lorrell, to be my wife all the days of my life. Every single moment I want to spend with you.
Day one, and getting to know you, you were everything that I prayed for. I wanted a man of prayer, someone who would take care of me and our family, and you've proven over all these years that you're able to take care of a family. I know you say I'm your good thing, but you're also my good thing, and I thank God for you. I'm happy to be with you. I chose you, and I choose you every day.
I now pronounce you one together. You are now husband and wife. You can go ahead and kiss her too. Ladies and gentlemen, I am excited and happy and overjoyed to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Sherone St. Clair Cephas.
Father, we thank you and we praise you. We glorify you. We thank you for this moment. And I just thank you for what you're doing for my child today. For all that he's been through, he's been faithful to you.
I think that's the most important thing, is that she's what I need. She's for me. And so that's how I look at it. And so I thank you for that. He didn't forgive me. To have a beautiful woman on my side, a woman that everything about her is just amazing, it just works.
I just want to say Lorrell is an amazing young woman. She makes me so proud. As a sister, I have no doubt. I love you. We love you. We're here for you. It's a long flight. Anytime you need us, we'll be here.
Sherone is a great guy, and he's very kind and, helpful to others, and he'll be there for you. So, the way this whole thing got set up is it's amazing.
Sherone, I just wanted to say that we love you, we appreciate you, we have no worries or concerns for the baby of the family now, the married baby, and I'm sure you're going to do well with taking care of the last of the precious jewels.
There's 2 words in a marriage that a man should know about. I am sorry, and you are right. Those are the 2 words that I'm going to leave you with. And congratulations. Treat her well. Love on her. Good job. Cheers.